Today, I will demonstrate you how to set up the VTECH CD1153 landline corded speakerphone. It has a smart call blocker, 14-number speed dial, and caller ID and call waiting. This landline system is sold at Walmart for $27. They also make an AT&T version out of this. Before I begin removing it from the box, please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel so you never miss any more videos that we post. First, open up the box. The first thing you're going to see is a thank you for choosing card. Then, take a moment to review and remove everything from the box. If any parts are missing, please don't hesitate to contact VTECH. In the box, you are going to get the speakerphone, the handset, the phone cord, and the DCL digital subscriber line cord. Remove everything out of the box and inspect it for damage. Now that we have everything, we can now begin the setup. First, start by unwrapping everything from the box. Set the speakerphone in your preferred location. Then, unwrap the handset. Handset goes first. Start with connecting the phone cord. First, connect the first end to the speakerphone. Then, connect the second end to the handset. Then, lay the handset on the holder, like this. If you have a digital subscriber line, connect the phone jack to the cord. That's not correct. If you want to release the cord, you can simply press down on the little small lever, as shown here. The next step will be about installing the batteries. First, look at the right side of the speakerphone, and you will see the battery compartment. To release, push down on both tabs, like this. Then, install 4 AA batteries, which are not included. Do not mix old and new batteries, as doing so may damage the battery compartment. As soon as you close the battery compartment, the little small display might turn on. If it does not turn on, you might have some bad batteries. Now, set your speakerphone on the preferred location. Now we're going to show you how to set up the date and time. To set up the date and time, first, Press Menu/Select. Then set your preferred date and time. You may set the contrast to however you prefer. You are now finished with the setup of the VTECH CD1153.